everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Axis Bank credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Safari web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.axisbank.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of Axis Bank. To log into your credit card account, you can simply log into your internet banking account for Axis Bank. Tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner and under internet banking, select either personal login or corporate login option. I'm gonna choose the personal login option. Let me tap on the login button right next to personal, and on the next page, enter your login information. You can choose to log in by entering your login ID or your customer number, followed by your password, your debit card number, followed by your ATM PIN number, or your customer ID followed by your MPIN number. Select any one option and enter the credentials as it asks you. Since I chose the login ID or the customer ID option, I'll need to type in the login ID or the customer ID associated with the internet banking account. Once you are done, go to the next field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password during the process, tap on Reset Here link right next to Forgot Password. Finally, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Axis Bank internet account. Select the Credit Cards tab in order to access your credit card. That is how you can easily log into your Axis Bank credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.